Hello and welcome to my little YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make crochet letter C. It is very easy to make. It's only 2 rows, no assembly required. And if you are going to finish 3mm crochet hook and double knit yarn, as I've been using, the size of finished letter will be approximately 6.5 centimeters or 2.6 inches. Okay, let's start making our letter C. We are going to start with chain of 17 stitches. Let's make chain of 17 stitches first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. We have a chain of 17 stitches and we are moving to row number 1. We are going to start our row number 1 from the single crochet in the second stitch. We are going to skip first stitch and we're going to do single crochet in the second stitch. Next step will be increase 2 stitches in the same stitch, single crochet, increase. For next 14 stitches or for next 7 times we are going to follow the sequence of single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch. So single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the following stitch. We need to do it 7 times in total, so repeat the same sequence for 6 more times. Finished our sequence and that took us to the end of our row number 1. Now we are moving to row number 2. Going to start it with chain of 1 stitch and we're going to turn it. We're going to do single crochet in the same stitch and single crochet in the next 22 stitches, which will take us to the end of our row number 2. So let's do single crochet in next 22 stitches. We came to the end of our row number 2 and that's our letter C is complete. Everything what you need to do now is just finish it off. If you are going to attach this letter to your project, I recommend you leaving long tail for sewing, but as I'm not, I am just going to leave a short tail and I'm going to finish it off now. That's it. Our letter C has been complete. Looks a bit curly now, but it can be easily fixed. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a like and comment on the description below. On the description below you can find the link for written tutorial for this letter and all remaining alphabet letters. As well you can find the link to my blog where you can find more patterns. Again, thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.